The 2026 Pontiac Trans has sparked considerable attention in the automotive world, not only because of its nameplate's nostalgic power but also due to its bold reimagining of the American muscle car. While Pontiac was officially discontinued by General Motors over a decade ago, enthusiasts and car culture purists have kept its spirit alive. Now, with the revival of the Trans under a modernized design, this vehicle is being hailed as a proper resurrection of a legend, blending old-school power with futuristic design and technology. At first glance, the 2026 Trans demands respect. Its stance is aggressive, with a wide body, pronounced wheel arches, and a sculpted hood that hints at the performance lurking beneath. Designers have taken clear inspiration from the iconic Trans Am models of the late 70s and early 80s, incorporating retro styling cues such as the twin-split grille, T-top roof configuration, and even a modernized Firebird logo. The rear is equally captivating, with a sleek LED light bar and dual exhausts that deliver both form and function. Under the hood, the new Trans doesn't disappoint. The base model comes equipped with a 5.7-liter naturally aspirated V8, pushing out an impressive 480 horsepower and 450 pound-feet of torque. For those craving more adrenaline, a supercharged variant dubbed the Trans R offers a staggering 700 horsepower, powered by a 6.2-liter V8 tuned in collaboration with performance engineers from GM's Corvette division. Both engines are mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission, with paddle shifters for manual control and an optional 6-speed manual for purists. Rear-wheel drive remains standard, but an all-wheel drive variant is rumored to be in development. Handling is another area where the Trans excels. It's built on GM's Alpha Plus platform, which it shares with the Cadillac CT5-Volt Blackwing, meaning it boasts adaptive suspension, Brembo brakes, and near-perfect weight distribution. This platform enables the Trans to corner like a true sports car, while still maintaining the raw, visceral feel that muscle car enthusiasts crave. Advanced traction control systems and electronic stability programs make the vehicle feel surprisingly agile for its size. Inside the cabin, Pontiac has taken a leap into modern luxury without sacrificing the muscle car DNA. The cockpit is driver-focused, with a wraparound dashboard and customizable digital gauge cluster. Premium materials are used throughout: aluminum trim, carbon fiber inserts, and optional Alcantara upholstery. Heated and ventilated Recaro seats come standard in the performance trims, while a heads-up display and 12-inch infotainment screen with full smartphone integration ensure the driver is always connected. Technology in the 2026 Trans isn't just limited to creature comforts. It features GM's latest semi-autonomous driving suite, including lane centering, adaptive cruise control, and highway assist. Over-the-air updates ensure the car stays current with software improvements and performance tweaks. There's also a built-in performance telemetry system, allowing drivers to record lap times, G-force metrics, and even share driving data with the Pontiac owner community via a dedicated app. Safety has also been given top priority. The car is equipped with a full suite of advanced driver assist systems, including automatic emergency braking, blind spot detection, rear cross-traffic alert, and surround view cameras. The rigid chassis, along with energy-absorbing crumple zones and 8 airbags, ensures maximum occupant protection in case of a collision. In terms of customization, Pontiac has truly embraced the enthusiast market. Buyers can choose from a range of retro-inspired liveries, including the iconic Bandit, black and gold finish, snow white with red pinstripes, and even a matte steel edition. A full catalog of aftermarket parts and performance upgrades is also planned, allowing owners to tailor their Trans to their exact tastes, from exhaust systems and cold air intakes to spoilers, splitters, and track-ready suspensions. Fuel economy may not be the top priority for a car like this, but Pontiac has included cylinder deactivation and lightweight materials to help reduce fuel consumption when cruising. The result is a surprisingly respectable combined MPG rating in the mid-20s for the base model. Electric and hybrid variants are not currently part of the lineup, but company insiders have hinted that an all-electric Trans EV may debut in the coming years to compete with future muscle cars from Dodge and Ford. With the return of the Pontiac Trans, a new era of American muscle has officially begun. It's a vehicle that pays homage to its legendary past while embracing the performance, safety, and technology demanded by today's drivers. Whether it's roaring down a straightaway, carving through canyon roads, or simply turning heads on city streets, the 2026 Trans reminds us why we fell in love with muscle cars in the first place, and why their legacy is far from over.